Look at your screen right now. You opened an app, started scrolling, and suddenly hours are just gone. You're exhausted, your head feels heavy, and deep down you're feeling this constant anxiety. You think it's just you being lazy? Wrong. You're actually a victim of the biggest Gen Z epidemic, brain rot. Multi-billion-dollar algorithms are working 24/7 with one single goal: to hijack your focus and turn you into a digital zombie. And the worst part? You're handing them your brain on a silver platter. Science says your brain runs on dopamine, the chemical that drives your motivation. Back then, people got a dopamine hit by actually achieving something. But you're getting it every 5 seconds from some mindless reel or short. This flood of cheap dopamine has trashed your attention span. It's now shorter than a goldfish's. That's why reading a book, focusing on your career, or doing any deep work feels impossible. Your brain literally shuts down because those things don't give you that 5-second hit. This is how your brain is quietly rotting away. The 3 cold rules. 99% of people will stay broke and stuck forever because they're slaves to this cheap pleasure. But if you want to join that top 1% of winners, you need to lock these 3 rules into your life. 1. Kill your notifications. Go into your settings and turn off every single unnecessary alert from Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. Stop letting your phone control you. You take the wheel. 2. The golden hour. Do not touch your phone for the first 60 minutes after you wake up. This hour is for building your future, not for rotting your brain with a scroll. 3. Embrace boredom. Next time you're bored, don't reach for your phone. Just sit with it. Boredom is where your brain heals. It's where your real creativity is born. Remember, the things that give you easy pleasure are the same things that will destroy you. The world wants you to be a puppet, but it's time to take the remote control back. Are you ready to break the chains? If you are, drop a "no more scrolling" in the comments right now. To save your brain and win at life, subscribe to The Daily Win. I'll see you in the next one.